So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you can click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two robot vacuum cleaners. On the right, I got the Shark Icon, model number AV752. On the left, I got the Lefant, model number M210. So you can see the Shark is a little bit bigger. They both have controls that you can start it and stop it. Now they both have a dustbin you're going to have to empty. The Shark is right here. It's a little bit bigger dustbin. The Lefant, you open this up and then take this out. Its power switch is right there. You can see there's where it does the cleaning. So again, here's the Shark. I opened it up. It does have a larger dustbin. It does have a filter that you're going to take out and clean once in a while. Now the Lefant may look a little bit smaller, but it's almost just as big because it's really tall. And again, it's got a filter you're going to have to clean once in a while, but it does a good job cleaning also. Very easy to take in and out. And the Shark, you're simply just going to slide it in until it clicks. Now both of them have a docking station that's going to charge it. Now the Shark mainly uses the bumper technology. The Lefant, it has bumper technology also, but it actually can sense walls too. So it's not always bumping into them. Sometimes it will kind of stay away because it can sense the walls. Here's what the bottom looks like. 2 brushes. Here's the Shark, a little bit bigger brush, a little bit bigger suction area as far as what's going to go into the vacuum cleaner. Here's the Lefant right here. So it's mainly using just suction. The Shark does have a brush roller that turns. They both have a wheel, the charging, and the brushes up here. They both have edge sensors so they won't go downstairs. They won't fall off the edge. Okay, so let's start the Shark cleaning. You can see it's going to randomly go through the room as it bumps off the walls. Now both of them have an app that you can use to control them. Here's the Lefant. I'm going to start its cleaning. Both of them you can set a schedule. You can hit find the robot. Now neither one of them will map your house. So let's hit the clean. So the Lefant, it does bump into things also, but not all the time. Sometimes when it gets around walls, it just can sense the walls. Now the Lefant will go in straight lines. You can have it do random through the room, but there's a setting you can also do straight lines where it'll go zigzag back and forth. Where the Shark, it's just going to zigzag every which way until it gets the room clean. Here's the Shark. It's doing a good job on carpet or hardwood. Yeah, the Lefant is definitely the quieter of the two. And see how it can sense the walls. When it's getting close, it doesn't necessarily have to bump into them. Now I can use the onboard switch also, hit it once, pause, and when it was docked, I could just hit it once and it'll start cleaning. Now if I want to have it go dock, just hit it twice and it'll find the dock. So here, both of them are going to find the dock. They're going to recharge. Say the battery was running low, they would recharge, and then so the Shark has docked itself. And so here comes the Lefant. Now the Lefant is retailing for $200, but there is a $90 off coupon. I got it on sale for $88. That seems like a pretty good price. Now it doesn't have the brush roller like the Shark does. Now the Shark does retail for $220, so it is almost twice as expensive, but I think it does a pretty good job. Again, but you are going to has to bump into everything in order to know where it's at. And if you have neither one of these are going to map your house, so you're not going to be able to put no-go zones or anything. The Shark, you can put the magnetic strips down and keep it away from things. As far as I know, the Lefant, you can't put anything down to keep anything away. Yeah, so the typical Shark vacuum cleaners that don't map your house, you can buy this magnetic strip, put it down, and when the robot comes up to it, it'll turn away from it. I think if you had a small apartment with just hardwood floors, the Lefant would definitely, I think it would do a pretty good job. The Shark with that roller brush does help kind of pick things up and get them in there. It definitely does a lot better job on carpet. I'll put links to them in the show description notes. The Lefant app worked so much better than the Shark. The Shark app I'm not super happy with. Connecting it was actually a really big hassle. Their app is just long overdue for some refresh. The Lefant, it was a really nice app, and it just works. That's what I really like. So again, underneath the video, I'll put links to both of these in the show description notes. Really appreciate everybody's support. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.